Help me help.
Dear students, you may know about air pollution, water pollution or land pollution. Presence of unwanted particles in air is called air pollution. Water pollution or land pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate water or land area. Similarly, presence of excessive or unwanted sounds in the environment is called noise pollution. Although noise constantly surrounds us, noise pollution generally receives less attention than water quality and air quality issues because it cannot be seen, tasted or smelled. Do you know the causes of noise pollution? Major causes of noise pollution are sounds of vehicles, then explosions including bursting of crackers, then sound of machines, loudspeakers, etc. When we play television or music system at high volumes, it may also cause noise pollution. Then some kitchen appliances, desert coolers, air conditioners all contribute to noise pollution. Noise pollution is also caused by railroads, aircraft, loud music, construction sites, etc. Now let's see the harmful effects of noise pollution. High levels of noise damage the eardrums. Similarly, it reduces the ear sensitivity to the sounds that the human body requires to regulate our rhythm of the body. Moreover, it also affects our psychological health. Lack of sleep, hypertension or high blood pressure, anxiety, and many more health disorders may be caused by noise pollution. It may also lead to temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. What are the measures we can take to control the noise pollution? To control noise, we must control the sources of noise. How can this be possible? For this, we can install silencing devices in aircraft engines, transport vehicles, industrial machines and home appliances. Then, how can the noise pollution be controlled in a residential area? All noisy operations must be conducted away from any residential area. Noise producing industries should be set up away from such areas. Use of automobile horns should be minimized. TV and music systems should be run at low volumes. We can plant trees along the roads and around buildings to cut down the sound reaching the residents. Thus we can reduce the harmful effects of noise pollution. When noise controls are not feasible or adequate, individuals can also take steps to protect themselves from the harmful effects of noise pollution. If people are surrounded by loud sounds, they can protect their ears with hearing protection like earplugs.
I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space, just my luck.